In this video, I'm going to show you how to export and import a KMZ or KML file from Google Earth Pro. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the first thing what we need to do is add a place mark, and then we're going to go ahead and export that. So I'm just going to choose a location in my home country of Australia. So I'm just going to zoom into any spot here. Alright, so from here, I'm just going to click on this add place mark on this location here, like so, and now I want to give it a name, so I'm going to call this Henley's Holiday Flats. Then from here, just simply go ahead and press OK, and then this is going to be saved in your places on the left hand side. Just click on the places, and here it is here. Now to export this, all we need to do is right click on it and then click on save place as, and then your file name is going to be here and save as type. So you got a choice of saving as a KMZ file or KML. So go ahead and do whichever. And now what I'm going to do is delete this off of my Google Maps, both locations. Just going to delete all these locations off. Now to export, import a KMZ file or KML file, what I'm going to do is just close Google Maps. Now I'm inside my download section in my computer, so here it is here. Oh, it looks like I've downloaded it into my document. So yeah, Henley's Holiday Flats. So I'm going to double click on this. This is going to open up Google Earth, and now it should go directly to that location. So there it is there.